the first step you need to do is draw a curve up to the top, and then from that curve you're going to go out and stop kind of where you left off in the first place. Now we're going to draw a curve around, just like this. Our next curve is going to go out like this, start here and go out. Now we're going to go around and close it off. Next we're going to start about here and go out like this. We're going to start here and go out again, and then we're going to round it back just like that. At the bottom of the tree, it's going to be just a line out and then a line out again, and one more curve to finish it off. At the top of the tree, we're going to have a star. So just draw a line, and then from that point go up, and then we're going to go up again. We're going to go out like this, go in, out to the top, go back in, up, and then down, out and in, and one more point going out and then back in. And there's our star. We're going to draw a face at the bottom. You could leave it like this, but it's up to you. I'm going to draw two big circles. There's one. And here's another. For the eyes, I want to make kind of a big curve in the middle, and then do the same thing for the other side, making a curve that goes in. We're going to make a big circle here and then a smaller one. Same thing on the other side, big circle and then smaller one. I'm going to make mine a girl tree by drawing 3 little eyelashes on each side, just like this. She's going to have a cute little smile, which is just a curve. Now this and this I'll color in black, and the little circles in the middle will be white in the end. Let's draw some detail on the tree. We're going to draw some garland going across like this, and then another line across. We're going to make it go down to this tree by making the curves again like this, and then we're going to draw another curve going in and then coming out, so it's kind of going around the face. So don't get the eyes if you drew them, and just go over them just like that. We're going to draw some bulbs, some ornament bulbs, by drawing a line and then a circle, and then same thing, line and a circle. You can draw as little or as many bulbs as you want. I'll just draw a couple on each of the layers of the tree. There's another one here, and I'll put one right there, maybe one right there, just however you want the bulbs. There's one there, put another one there, and how about one more? There we go. Now let's color it in. there we go. Here's our silly Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe for new videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.